Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope all are you good. Today let me start GK Unit 1, Nature, Chapter number 1, Nutrition in Plants. So let me start students, write the correct answers. Which of these plants cannot produce its own food? Miss Leto. Which of these plant is a parasitic plant? It is option A, Cuscuta. Which of these plants exhibits symbiosis? So option A, Rhizobium. Question number 4. Which of these is released as a byproduct during photosynthesis? Question number option B, oxygen. Which of these is an autotrophic mode of nutrition in plants? So this is option A, photosynthesis. Which plant tissue transports water and nutrients apart from the roots? It is xylem. Which of these is a non-vascular plant? Option A, Cuscuta. What are the microscopic openings or pore in the epidermis of leaves and young stems called? So option is B, stomata. So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 2. Flowers make our environment colorful and aromatic. Some flowers bloom only at night. Given below are the pictures of some night blooming flowers with their short descriptions. Read about them and write their names using the help box. Number 1. This is a night blooming flower that is mainly found in grassland and rocky limestone soils in the United States. It has a pleasant chocolate-like fragrance. It blooms from mid-spring to late summer only at night. After blooming, it produces a rich cocoa smell until the morning. So this is chocolate flower. This flower opens in the evening and remains open until moonlight falls on it. Okay, so this flower is of white or pink color and has a sweet fragrance. ये है moon flower. Number 3. This flower opens up in the late afternoon and closes back in the morning. Its colors range from yellow, red, pink and blue to white. It spreads a rich fragrance. ये है number 3, 4 o'clock flower. ये शाम के समय इवनिंग में खिलता है. ये इसको मोस्टली बोला जाता है हिंदी में रात की रानी. 4 o'clock बोलते हैं इसको. Number 4, it is a creamy yellow flower. Its plant grows in heavy rainfall areas and has a height of 36 to 48 inches. It can cause skin irritation to humans when they come in contact with it. So this is night gladiolus. Number 5, this flower is also known as night center stalk gilliflower and night violet. This flower opens in late afternoon till evening. It has 4 petals of pink or purple color. Okay, so answer number 5 is evening stalk. Number 6. It is a bright yellow flower, strongly scented with delicious sweet perfume. Its all parts have medicinal properties. The plant of this flower grows to a height of 3 to 5 feet. ये है evening primrose. Number 7. This flower is also known as midnight candy because it closes during the day and opens when dusk comes. So it produces a cluster of small, delicate white and red flowers. It has a fragrance of a mixture of honey, vanilla and almond. So this is night phlox. So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 3. Given below some indoor plants, write their names using the help box. So let we start. Number 1. ये है हमारा सबसे पहला पीस लिली. ओके. नंबर 2 ये है स्पाइडर प्लांट. नंबर 3 एलोवेरा. नंबर 4 ये है गोल्डन पोथोस. नंबर 5 ये है हैन एंड चिक प्लांट. This is snake plant. Okay, next one is anthurium. Next one is Erica palm. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 4. Chapter number 4, the source of life. Okay, read the clues and solve the crossword puzzle by filling in the missing letters to complete the names of the tree. Number 1. This is okay, sorry. Across. This tree has aerial roots. It is the national tree of Bharat. Number 6. It has fan-shaped leaves that are used to make baskets, fans, and writing material. It is found in the state of Number 7. The oil of this tree used in the cuisine of many countries around the Mediterranean Sea. So this is olive. Number 7. O-L-I-V-E, olive. Number 8. The wood of this tree is used to make cricket bats. ये है willow. W-I-L-L-O-W. Number 9. The majestic tree is native to the Himalayas. ये है देवदार. D-E-D-A-R. D-E-O-D-A-R. Okay. Now next down. It has number 1. It has heart-shaped leaves. Gautam Buddha attained enlightenment under this tree. Number 1. People. P-E-E-P-A-L. People. Number 2, this tree is called Oriental Plane. It is an integral part of the Kashmiri culture. Number 2. So this one is Chinar. Number 3. It is an evergreen tree. The oil of this tree has many medicinal properties. Number 3, which number? Sandalwood. S-A-N-D. Banana. This one is, this Q is wrong. Because banana, B-A-N-A-N-A. Sandalwood, S-A-N-D-A-L-W-O-O-D. So this is बनाना. S हम इसको यहीं पे ऐड कर लेते हैं. S वेट, BANAN, A बनाना. ठीक है. अब SANDALWOOD, sandalwood. Okay. Now next, question number 4. It is found along the deltas of rivers. The Sundarban region has derived its name from this tree. ये है सुंदरी. This one is SUNDARI, Sund. Okay. Next question, number 7. The nut of this tree is called acorn. Its wood is used to make furniture. Oak, OAK. This is oak. Okay, so everyone, the students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 5. There are various types of birds around us. They have different kinds of bills, wings and feet. Read the description given below and name these birds with the help of help box. Number 1, large black and white bird with long pointed wings and long bill. So it catches a fish by diving from a height into the sea. It is termed as glutton for their capacity for eating large quantity of fish. So it is number 2. It is a beautiful bird which digs burrows on the top of cliff and make its nest there. The female lays a single egg and the chick spends about first few years of its life at sea. So this is a puffin. Number 3. The male of this bird is possibly the heaviest bird capable to fly. The heaviest known bird was about 21 kgs. So the bird is number 3. Great bustard. Number 4, a small bird which migrates from north to the south oceans around Arctic and back. It is the longest regular migration by any known bird or animal. So number 4, this is a Arctic tern. Arctic. Number 5, a migratory songbird mainly found in Africa, Europe and West Asia that belongs to the thrush family. The European species of this bird have a red breast. Okay, so this is a American robin. Number 6. It is a little bird. The nest made by the bird can be seen hanging down the branches of trees. A myth is that it uses fireflies to light up its nest at night. Number 6. So this is a baya weaver, जिसको हम बया चिड़िया भी बोलते हैं. Baya weaver. Number 7. A bird which soars over the sea and hardly lands on water. It chases other birds and forces them to drop their food. Sometimes this bird is called man of war birds or private bird. So it is lyre bird. Number 7. Frigate bird. This is. Number 8. The most horrible bird for their superb ability to mimic sounds from environment. It is Australia's best known native bird. It is also known for the male bird's used tail. Okay, so this bird is Number 9. This bird is commonly found in the villages of North Bharat, having black, white and pink wing pattern and also has a beautiful crest. This is hupui. Dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 6. Friendly bark. Dogs are believed to be men's best friend. Read the descriptions of different breeds of dogs and write their names with the help of picture clues. Short-legged breed of dog that was originally bred for hunting hares. ये है Basset Hound. Most popular breed of dogs that are trained to aid blind and serve as sniffer dogs, Labrador. Number 3, large dog noted for its black and white spotted coat. So it is Dalmatian. Number 4, it is an active, good-natured sporting dog which was originally used to hunt woodcock. So it is English Cocker Spaniel. Number 5, a large breed of German dog which is one of the best dog breeds. ये है Great Dane. It is a short-legged, long-bodied hound type dog. A strong, agile, well-muscled animal, alert and full of life. German Shepherd. Number 8, the most common domesticated toy-sized dog. It has a double coat and feathered tail. Pomeranian. Number 9, a non-sporting dog breed that originated in Tibet. Number 9, Lhasa Apso. Number 10, it is a mixed breed dog that is a cross between Cocker Spaniel and Poodle. Number 10, ये है Cockapoo. It is a breed of dog with a wrinkly, short, muzzled face and curved tail. It has a fine, glossy coat with a compact, square body and well-developed muscles. ये है pug. It is a pug. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 7. Amazing animals. There are some amazing animals. Write the correct options to name the amazing animals. The world's most venomous snake is king cobra. No, inland taipan. The world's most poisonous fish is number 2, option A, puffer fish. This one. The world's most poisonous frog is poison dart frog ki toad. Poison dart frog. Number 4, dash is the animal that has the slowest growth rate. In about 100 years, it grows just 0.3 inches long. The deep sea calm. This marine animal imitates human speech and even laughter. Number 5, option A, dolphin. It is the only poisonous bird in the world from Papua New Guinea. Number 6, option B, hooded pithui. It is the only animal with a movable upper jaw. Alligator or vampire bat? Maybe 7, option alligator. 8. This bird can fly backward. Cuba hummingbird. This is bird's only snake found in South Bharat that builds nests. King cobra. This desert animal never drinks water. It makes water in its body when the food combines with oxygen. Kangaroo bat. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 8. The world of creatures. Different types of creatures are found in this world. We recognize most of them. All the creatures have some specialties. Let us see how much you know about these creatures. How many legs does a woodlouse have? 12. How many legs does a millipede have? 20. How many stomachs does a cow have? 4. How many cells does an amoeba have? 1. How many legs does a lobster have? Number 5. 10. How many sides does a cell of a honeybee hive have? 6. How many bones are there in a giraffe's neck? 7. How many toes does each leg of an ostrich have? 2. How many hearts does an octopus have? 3. How many legs does a crab have? So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 9. The world of insects. Chapter number 9, the world of insects. Fill in the blanks with right words choosing from the help box given below. Number 1, wasp nests are constructed from dash extracted from wood by the queen wasp. Wasp paper. The 3 sections of an insect's body are the 3 sections of an insect's body. Head, thorax, abdomen. A firefly is not a fly despite its name, but it is a beetle. Number 4. Of the 40,000 species of flies, the most commonly known is the housefly. Dash are attracted to white flowers in particular because they can see well in relative darkness. Moths. Number 6. The common dash can lay up to 600 eggs at one time. Garden spider. Number 7. All two-winged insects, including mosquitoes, are referred to as flies. Number 8. The dash is an insect that feeds on other insects, praying mantis. The grasshopper has its dash located near its knees. Number 9. Ears. Male mosquitoes do not feed on blood. Instead, they suck nectar. Nectar. So my dear students, all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand full chapter, all chapters. Okay, so we will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.